technology changing the banking sector. In year 1936, Bank of Ceylon founded as the first commercial bank in Sri Lanka. Most of the banking functions were operated as manual systems in early days. But today, they move towards more digitalized platforms rather limiting to brick and mortar concept. In 1989, commercial banks commenced issuing credit cards in Sri Lanka. A credit card is a card issued by financial institution, typically a bank, and it enables the cardholder to borrow funds from that institution. Cardholders agree to pay money back with interest according to the institution's terms. Debit cards were first introduced to Sri Lanka in 1997. A debit card is a payment card that makes payments by deducting money directly from a customer's checking account rather than via loan from a bank. Most of the commercial banks started self-banking services via automated teller machines. Anyone with a credit or debit cards can access cash at ATMs. Point-of-sales terminals were introduced to Sri Lanka in 1994. POS terminals allows to customers make payments through credit, debit and stored value cards at merchants' outlets. Mobile apps are another priority area for banking industry. Bankers develop mobile apps that allow customers to manage their finances without walking into branches. Mobile banking is the act of making financial transactions on a mobile devices. Internet banking, which allows bank customers to access banking services through internet. It was introduced to Sri Lanka in 1999. In internet banking, society customers can access of any bank's accounts from anywhere in the world with convenience. Financial institutions offer facility through internet banking for customers mainly obtain account information, apply or subscribe for financial products or services, perform on account, third-party fund transfer and pay utility bills. Common card payments, which has been designed as a national payment switch in Sri Lanka, and LCPL launch operations of CCAPS under the brand name of Lanka Pay. Sri Lanka Interbanking Payment System is a same-day electronic fund transfer operated by Lanka Clear. Slips are popularly used for periodic or bulk payments such as standing orders, salaries, utility bill payments. An e-wallet can be defined as an electronic or online device that allows transactions to be made via computers or smartphones with a single app. Most e-wallets, like credit or debit cards, are linked to the individual bank accounts in order to make payments. Quick response code-based payment solutions provide an alternative channel for initiating and accepting payments between a customer and a merchant. With the addition, customers can simply scan a Lanka QR code from a mobile app to make payments to any merchant accepting Lanka QR code payments. The first ever video teller machines operations in Sampath Bank. BTM is an electronic banking outlet that allow customers to complete their basic transactions, request banking services, or receive immediate assistance with the help of live conferencing consultation with a remote bank teller. The first ever banking robot in Sri Lanka is available at Sampath Bank headquarters branch. The banking robot is an automated teller which uses artificial intelligence to understand vocal requests and perform the relevant transactions through the form of humanoid robot. Let's see how the technology influencing on people management in banking sector. In the past, most of the documents are filed and kept in cupboards, but now we are experiencing paperless process. All the confidential information of customers, business statistics and staff are systemized for more effective utilization. ATM, cash deposit machines, check deposit machines, cash counting machines and computers manage to reduce human involvement in day-to-day operations. The technology improvement in banking sector delivers the most accurate, seamless, fast customer service in safest way. Due to these technology changes, every bank customers and employees can save their valuable time using modern technology. Further, banks maintain their operational functions and HR development more efficiently and effectively.